Hi, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. My name is Diane. If you're new here, if you're coming back, welcome back. Thanks for joining. So I just got home from work and I noticed right now in this little corner, it's golden hour as you can see. And I hope that the lighting is really good, but I wanted to make a quick little video and kind of share some thoughts and also share my newest Louis Vuitton purchase that I just recently unboxed. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get started. Look at this little cutie. So this is one of the vintage vanity bags, and just look at this patina. I think patina is absolutely beautiful. It is this beautiful golden color, and this is what the vanity bag looks like up close in the front. And this is in the Vernise leather. It's a patent leather that's like this really pretty sky blue color. And the other cool thing is with vintage bags, check out these little zipper pulls. These zipper pulls just look so cute. They're like these little locks and it has the LV logo right there. I thought that that was really cool. And then this vanity bag is pretty small, but there are no feet. And then the back is pretty plain. So I plan on using this as a date night type of bag. I can fit my phone in here. Oh, let me open it up and show you. So inside here, it's this really pretty light blue. You can see there's the little tag, and here's what the inside of the vanity bag looks like. And I don't know about you, but I absolutely was so sad when Louis Vuitton took away their little date code tags. And I was so happy when I saw this because I just really like seeing the history of the bag and seeing when the bag was made. And so this bag has the date code because this is one of the vintage bags down right there. And looking at it, this vanity case was made in 2003. So this is a 20-year-old vintage Louis Vuitton. I got this on the RealReal and it was such a good buy. I had like a $200 credit from a past purchase. I picked this. It was on sale for I think a little over $400. So I essentially got this for $200 after using my credit. But I thought that this was a super cute bag, and it's large enough where it fits my phone. I can put my wallet, my phone, probably some lippies. This would be a really good date night bag. I've been really into the vintage Louis Vuittons. It's just little features like the zipper pulls. I'm into it and I just love it. And also this was like $200. So you can't beat that. But the other thing too that I wanted to mention was I saw pictures that Louis Vuitton just dropped the fall collection, and I was floored because one of the pictures is the Speedy in the epi leather. It looked like it was a pretty big bag, probably like the 35 or the 40 size, but it was in the epi leather. And I see the Speedy epi leathers all the time on the pre-loved market. And right now you can get them for I've seen them for like $400 or $500. It's going to be really interesting that once they drop this new fall collection, how much it's going to affect the price. But I would say snatch it now if you're really interested. Snatch it up from the pre-loved market because now is the time to get it. And I actually noticed the same thing with the other bags. If you're really wanting like vintage Louis Vuitton that they're like re-releasing is the Louis Vuitton Ellipse. I noticed that on the pre-loved market for a while, they were running a really good deal, like $400, $500. And now ever since they re-released it, now it's hard to find those as much. But I'm still actually I'm on the hunt to look for a really good Ellipse one from the pre-loved market in the vintage style. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share my new purchase. I wanted to make a quick little video, say hi. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, I would love to have you subscribe along and join the family and help my channel grow and join me on my journey as I continue to find and build my collection with unique and really fun handbags. Otherwise, let's see you next time. Bye.